to forget a wireless network on your Windows 10 or 11 PC, fix network issues. So everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can forget a wireless network on your Windows 10 or 11 PC and fix the network issues. So for that you have to open this option from right corner and then click on the settings option from here, and after that you have to click on the network and internet option, and then you can find the Wi-Fi settings from here. And after that you just have to click on the manage known networks from here, and then you can find all the networks from here, and you can just click on forget from the network, and you have to just go back to your Wi-Fi settings, and then you have to click on show available networks, and then you have to find the right network for you, and then you have to click on connect, and after that you have to provide the password of your Wi-Fi, and then click on connect, and it will successfully connect and work fine on your PC. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next video.